Show you how to make a COVID-19 game. So first I'm going to show you that how it works. You can click on run. It's on run. Okay, 1.2. Okay, 3, 5. You have to click on the monsters to give them a mask, and whenever they touch this virus, COVID-19, then they are infected and you lose 1 point, and whenever you give a mask to someone you get 2 more points, like this. Okay, let's reset. And here I have already done all the coding, so I'm going to explain you. Firstly, when run set background to this, you can select any background, then change score by 0. So here I have declared a variable. You can go to variables right here and you can take this. So this variable is for score, which we are going to use later. And now make new sprite at random location. So here you can see random location. It is just anywhere. And then I have made 4 monsters. You can make more also. Right. So here I have renamed all the monsters so that it doesn't happen like if you click on one monster then everyone wears the mask. That shouldn't be. That's why I have made 4 monsters with 4 different names. Monster 1, Monster 2, Monster 3 and Monster 4. Then this become begins wandering. Means this one monster stands for all the monsters because this character is given to all. That is why. Begins wandering. Then sprite, this is COVID-19, begins wandering. You can select some other type of germ also. Let me show you how. You can click on this and then here some will be already here. You can click on more to add, right, and then you can click on germs right here and select any germ from these. They are colorful germs. Okay, so let's continue. Then, when Monster 2 clicked, change Monster 2 costume to this. So, let's see. Any one of these could be Monster 2. We don't know right now. Right. So, when Monster 2 is clicked, like we can take, I think so, this is Monster 2. Okay, so let's take up this as Monster 2. I don't know right now. Change Monster 2 costume to this. This is a mask costume. This is a monster and this monster will wear a mask. Okay, you can select some other monster also if you have. I have selected this one. Then set score to, okay. So now here you have to go to variables and then you can take this set I to. Here I have already made score as a variable, that's why 2 blocks are appearing here as score, this and this. Then you have to go to where your behaviors, right, maths. You have to go to maths and take this block. This is return the sum of the two numbers. So here you can enter any two numbers and it will give you the sum. So I have dropped this block right here to connect it, and instead of this adding block I have placed here the variable score. This here means whatever score will be, it will be added by 2. Like if the score is 4 and 4 plus 2 is 6, so the score will become 6. And show title screen score. So here a title will be written as SCORE score right here. And then subtitle, the again score means the variable score. The variable score, if it is 6, then here it will be written 6 or 16 or 18, whatever the score is. Then same for others also right here. This also, this one, just a minute. Yes, monster 1, 3, 4, 2, and then there's something different right here. Just a minute. Right. And then I have added one event. Okay, I have used event for others also. Let me show you. Right, here are the events. Here, these are the events. Here, there are the updated events. There are more events than the old one right here. Okay, so I have dropped this block at 3 seconds. This one. So at 16 seconds, I will give you 16 seconds. You can add this if you wish, or you can't add this. Set background to this, so the background will change at 16 seconds. Make new game over sprite. So this is game over, and make new start. Here will be the game over, here will be the start. Set this game over size to 240, and when this will be shown, then the screen's title will be hidden and the score will become 0. It will become 0. And this will appear only one time, not every 16 seconds. Only one time. And then now, when the coronavirus, just a minute, right. When the coronavirus or the COVID 19 touches Monster 1, so any one of these could be Monster 1. I don't know right now. They all are the same. So when this COVID 19 will touch Monster 1, then change Monster 1 costume to. So this is an infected costume of the monster, because it now the monster has got pink and it has all green spots on its body. That's why it looks a bit infected. Let me show you. Okay, now go to fantasy. Now scroll down, like this. Okay, so it isn't visible right now properly. So this is the monster with a mask and without a mask. And let me show you the infected one also. Let's try. Right, here you can see this one. This one is the infected one. Click on it and it will wear a mask. Now this, right, I got points every time I click. Oh no. Right, let's reset. Oh, sorry. Right. I'll increase it. Yeah. Yeah. 16 seconds after. Right, so here you can see our screen. So again the score has started. You can click on start. I think so you can add this if you want, as you wish. Then like this only, reset. Then after this one coronavirus, I have coded for one more button here. Right. So when the start button which was appearing here is clicked, then it will remove game over, remove this start start button, and then set the background to the again this spark background, and the score will become 0 even if it increases during the game over time. And then same for Monster 2 when touches coronavirus, COVID-19, or Monster 3, Monster 4. And here is all the code. Only this much. So now let's play it again. I can click on run and off it goes. Right, I can get on points. 26. Okay. No one is being infected. No. No, 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 no. Oh no. See, here you can see now the title you can see it is 50 right now. Right. Now I click on start. Just a minute. Start. Right. You can add this option for the game over, or if you don't want any, as you wish. It is not important for this game. Right. So this was how we make a COVID-19 game. Just a minute. Okay. So I have made this game to show that it is very important to wear a mask, especially in public places. So here you can see whenever these little monsters are coming in the contact of coronavirus or COVID-19, they are getting infected. And as we click on them and they wear a mask, they get disinfected and are fine again. So, in the same way, people should also wear a mask to keep themselves safe. Thank you. Hope you liked it. Bye.